So we got a 212 Predator engine mini bike. Chain popped on it, so basically I'm just adding an extra link to the chain so we can be able to turn it back on and ride it again. So showing you a little quick process on how to fix your chain without spending so much money and buying a whole brand new chain. First off, you want to clean the areas off with a nice little alcohol. Show your hose is nice and cleaned up. Clean these up real good. Once these is nice and cleaned up, then we can start to link up the chain. What I do is I always feed it from the back, from the bottom, makes it way easier that way. Definitely gonna do this. Lay that down. Make sure it measures up real good. Snap up a little bit.
Oh, you want to mix it?
See, so your chain, should come out looking like this. Once you got the length on it's easy. I'll put it back on.
Alright. Good job. Oh, you just put something in this one.
Chicken, like a chicken and butt. That's me. Open your own crackers. You heard that? I'm pretty getting it open. You need to move it though. You need to move this thingy. Oh my god.
Tighten up my chain.
You get ready. There we go. There are just too much things in there.
Now let's tighten up and fix right back up. Now we're gonna do the process of turning it on and see how it works. So let's see what happens.